Yeah, 22 is all about recruiting and just changing the game from user experience. Starting with our customers as design partners from the early stage and just really thinking about how we would do recruiting different in the mobile world we're in now, in the social world we're in now. That's how we've really changed the game when it comes to user experience. Thinking of candidates, how would they want to experience it? Thinking of managers, how would they want to experience it? Having that end user in mind and really flipping the script with a great mobile-first design for recruiting. Mobile-first is all about simplicity. For us, simplicity is super hard. We have transactions in our HR, our finance, and our payroll software that have been around for ages and are really complex. And so mobile-first gives us the opportunity to really focus on what's important. What does the user have to have in the interface? Pull out everything else and have hard conversations of what has to be in the interface. When you start with that 3.5, 4-inch display, there's not a lot of room for extra stuff. And so that mobile-first view of our design process gives us that laser focused on what's important. So when you go to a tablet and you have 7 or 10 inches, or when you go to the desktop and you have a big monitor, you can then start adding things that you cut last and really keep things simple, which is truly, truly hard, but that mobile-first discipline gives us that. Design thinking is a methodology that we use to really think outside of the box. As you grow as a company, it's really easy to get narrow and just keep everything going for the next customer to go live or the next big opportunity for us. And design thinking it's a methodology to really get our internal folks as well as our customers to contribute to the design process and think outside of the box. What would be the craziest idea you have that you would absolutely think would fail? And from something as crazy as that, we learn something. And so those type of exercises is what design thinking is all about. Thinking outside of the box, incorporating others, users, customers, our designers, our product managers, they all get into a room and really decide how we can think outside of the box to bring those best ideas back in and move the product forward. Yeah, both recruiting and our new user experience are great examples of involving our customers early in the process. Thinking how we can take features from them that they've been asking for a long time and incorporate it into our thought. And that design thinking process is part of that. What we call jam sessions, to get in, sit together and think outside of the box. How will we build this next user experience? How will we build the next recruiting product for the market? And customers have a direct input into that. They sit with our designers, they sit with our product managers and give feedback. All the way down to pixels on the page at times, working with customers, because some of our customers are some of the leading social brands, some of the leading consumer internet brands, so we can learn a lot from them, and we try to take our subject matter expertise around the cloud, around HR, around finance, intermingle with that, and it's a great combination.